Good morning students, class 8th. So exercise 3.3 was going on until question number 9 we have done. So we are going to do question number 10 today. So let us begin with question number 10. So in this, one figure is given to us, KLMN. Let me draw the figure. KLMN. This angle is 100 degree, angle M. This angle is 80 degree, angle L. And they are asking, explain how this figure is a trapezium. So students, two angles are given to us. So obviously we have to use the concept of angles. As you can see, the sum of angle M plus angle L is how much if we add these two? So this will be 100 plus 80 and that will be 180 degree. So students, if the sum of interior angle, as these two are interior angle, okay, on the same side of the transversal these two angles are. So as you can see, the sum of these two angle is how much? 180 degree. And when in between two lines one transversal we have drawn and sum of interior angle is getting 180, then it is the indication that the lines are parallel line, as these two angles will be the interior angles, co-interior angles, consecutive interior angles. You have studied this in class 7th. So sum of these two angles we are getting 180 degree. So that's an indication that NM is parallel to KL. So students, angle M plus angle L is 180 degree. So these angles M and L are co-interior. So line NM is parallel to KL. And when line NM is parallel to KL and another line which is given to us, NK, is not parallel to LM, that's shown. So if one pair of line is getting parallel, one pair of opposite sides are parallel, another pair of opposite sides are non-parallel. So this is the condition for which kind of parallelogram? Students, this happens in kind of parallelogram which is a trapezium. So this happens for trapezium. So NMKL or KLMN is a trapezium, because this exhibits the property of trapezium that one pair of opposite side is parallel and another pair of opposite side is non-parallel. So this must be a trapezium. I hope you understood this. Another figure is given, and one more thing this was asked. So already we have written that NM is parallel to KL. Now students, one more figure is given in question number 11. We have to calculate measurement of angle C. Question number 11. Question number 11 is, let me draw. DCBA 120 degree. Okay. Now students, AB is parallel to DC. Fine. If AB is parallel to DC, one pair of opposite sides are parallel, this angle is missing to us. Okay, angle C is missing to us. If this is given parallel to us, so angle B and angle C are co-interior angle, because these two are parallel given to us, and sum of co-interior angle, two parallel lines are drawn but transversal we have drawn, then the sum of interior angle is always 180 degree on the same side of transversal, and this property is known as co-interior angles. So we have mentioned this. So angle B is given 120, so angle C will be equal to 180. Sum of these two, angle C we can calculate now, 180 minus 120, so this will be 60 degree. So missing angle C will be how much? 60 degree, and that was being asked in this question. Now students, we will do question number 12. So let me erase this first so that we can do further. Question number 12. Find the measure of angle P and angle S if SP parallel RQ. So let me draw the figure first. We have drawn the figure. Fine. S R Q P. This angle Q is 130 degree. Angle R is shown 90 degree. Okay. S P. They are asking for P and S. SP is given parallel to RQ. SP is given parallel to RQ. SP and RQ are parallel. So students, as you can see, if these two are parallel, then angle P and angle Q will be which kind of angle? These two will be co-interior angle. Means two parallel lines are there, transversal is drawn. So the angles on the same side of the transversal are said to be consecutive interior angle, and consecutive interior angles are always supplementary. In short, we call it as co-interior angles. So these two co-interior angles are always supplementary. So we have mentioned SP parallel RQ. So angle P and angle Q are co-interior angles. Okay, so these two will be co-interior angles. Angle P plus 130 will be how much? 180. Now angle P will be how much? 180 plus 130 will be shifted on another side, will become minus 130. So angle P will be how much? 50 degree. So this was the missing value which was asked. We have calculated this angle 50 degree. On the similar way, this angle is shown to us 90 degree. This we can calculate by using the same property, and that is co-interior angle property. Angle R and angle S are going to be co-interior angles. So students, let us use this property. Angle S and angle R are co-interior angles. I think that's not visible to you. I am writing it here. Angle S and angle R are co-interior. If these two are co-interior angles, then angle S, which should be 90 now, we will solve it, is equal to 180 degree. So angle S plus 90 will be shifted on another side, will become minus 90. So angle S will be 180 minus 90, that will be 90 degree. That's going to be the answer. So this is the completion of the exercise that was going on, exercise 3.3. Only one exercise is left in this chapter. So we are going to continue this chapter. And students, I am really hoping that let me revise all the things which we have done till now. Firstly, we did chapter number 1, rational number. In the first video, I have explained you the properties of rational number. That was a copy pointed video. If any student have missed it out, you can watch that video in Gurukul YouTube channel, that is available. Whole the chapter is available. Chapter number 1, rational number, if you will search it on school YouTube channel. And then second chapter was linear equation in one variable. That chapter we completed according to the NCERT questions. Okay, and later on we did few extra questions from the side books. And then we came to chapter number 3. Firstly, I explained you about understanding quadrilateral, means various kind of quadrilaterals, that how we draw the trapezium, how we draw the parallelogram, what are the properties of parallelogram, like the opposite angles are equal, adjacent angles are supplementary, if the diagonal bisect each other, this property we did, and so many other properties. Okay, so we discussed about that, various kind of quadrilaterals, then regular polygon, and we solved few questions, formula based questions were there. The number of diagonals formula was there. That was, what was the formula, if you remember? That is n minus 3 upon 2. Then we solved few more formulas were there to be done for chapter number 2. So we have discussed each and every formula for understanding quadrilateral. So you should do practice right now. Okay, even I hope that few of you students, even most of you students, have started doing the work in fair notebook and have made out the notebook. And one more thing, I asked to give the feedback in the lecture, and only two students, Samiksha Goyal and Vaibhav Pandey. They are the two students. They have given the review and the feedback on the YouTube video comment. And I hope that because most of you are watching the lecture, and I also want to get that whether you are able to understand by my lecture or not. That's why I asked you, so you should give your feedback. What should I assume? Only two students have given, that is Samiksha and Vaibhav Pandey. I really hope after watching this lecture you will comment on my YouTube channel on the video, particular video, this video, so that I will able to understand. Okay, so thank you. God bless you.